Welcome back, friends. It's Melanie with Melanie Stamps, and today I have the Make It Merry Christmas kit unboxing. So let's dive in. Hi guys, I am back today with an exciting unboxing of the Spellbinders Make It Merry Christmas kit. I have not opened it yet. I am waiting for all of you. So let's dig in and see what we've got. This kit, I do know, makes 25 cards. Okay, so let's see here. It makes 13 A2 cards and comes with the card bases and the envelopes. It makes 12 5x7 cards with the 12 envelopes. Gosh, love that. 14 sheets of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, 4 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch foil paper, 6 by 6 inch 40 sheet pad of paper. Oh, I like that. Die cut shapes, die cut journal tags, chipboard embellishments, chipboard sentiments, gemstones, they're speaking my language, sequins, puffy stickers, puffy sentiments, foam squares, and adhesive tape. Okay, so they give us a little diagram on the back to show us a simple card. Okay, so we have our A2 and A7 card bases with envelopes. That's awesome. 25. Wow, 25 cards. Okay, so these are our ephemera, looks like. There's a lot in there. I don't dare dump that all out right now. And that's our foam tape and our adhesive tape. I like that the sequins do not have the holes in them. These are my favorite kind. They don't have that hole in it, so when you put it in, you don't get the glue on your tools. And then 4 different sides of rhinestones. I like that. I like that they get large and all the way tiny too. Okay. Then they've got, oh, I like these sentiments. These chipboard sentiments. I like this colorway. It's kind of got the peachy, non-traditional colorway, but also the traditional colorway. So you've got some options here. Have a holly jolly Christmas. I like that. I'm not used to doing this with the, like the peachy with the greens. I like that. I'm going to be using that. I really like that. The jolly, and all of it has the gold foil that they're known for. This has 2 sides. See, may your heart and home be filled with all of the joys of the festive season brings. That's nice. Warm wishes and a Merry Christmas. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. That's nice. Oh, these are the puffy sentiments. Really rich gold color there. And here's some more puffy sentiments. So then you have more of the traditional. This is a nice mix of colors. I really like this. Fa la la. Okay, and let's jump into this paper pad. I'm glad it's a paper pad. It's a full-size one. That makes my heart happy. Okay, let's see if we have foil in here. 40 sheets, 20 designs, includes 6 foil sheets. Oh, so they got the peach colorway in here as well. Ooh, that's pretty. The script on there is foiled. I don't know if you can see that or not. Nice chevron. Cute little hearts. That would be cute. Ooh, a nice wood grain. Santa's little hats. Nice polka dot. I like that's kind of almost a confetti polka dot instead of just a normal like even keel polka dot. Oh, I like that carve. The stripe. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. That's what that says on there. Florals, holly. Ooh, that's pretty gold polka dot. Got the foil on it. I don't know if you can see that. Christmas trees. Ooh, the gingham. I like me some gingham. Pretty floral. And then we're back, I think, to the repeating. So let's see how many times it repeats here. Okay, so 2 pieces of each. Really, really make it merry. Really nice paper pack. Okay, and then this is the cardstock pack. Ooh, we got a silver on the back. So let's see how they did in coordinating this cardstock. I like that it's the full sheets too. Okay, so we have 2 silver, and there's our silver on both sides. We've got 2 gold, and then let's see, we've got light blue, light green, a dark green, light red, dark red, kind of a medium red, ooh, light pink, dark or medium pink, a brown, a black, and 2 whites and a beige or cream. So that is a pretty color palette. So there we go. Now there is also going to be a die collection. It's Make It Merry die collection. It is in the mail as we speak, on its way towards me. So when or as soon as I receive it, it will be an add-on, and it is well, actually this kit and those dies are going to be while supplies last. So as soon as I post this video, those will be available. So make sure you check those links out in the description box below. I will have both sets of links there, and I will, of course, my projects will also show both products. So yeah, I'm going to have some fun. So I will see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll get notified when that video comes out. Talk to you soon, friends. Bye-bye.